Hey friends, Chef Nina here, and today in my kitchen I'm sharing this very simple and delicious recipe of beef liver with onions and peppers. A dish that you can do on any day of the week. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm using this 2.5 pounds or just about 1.1 kilogram of beef liver that I got from my local supermarket. Just open it and put it on the table. First thing I do, remove these veins. They tend to be tough. Once I've removed most of the veins, I'm going to slice this into long strips. That's about a good size for me. So just like that. Now I'll move this liver into a bowl. Remove the board and wash. Now into the liver add about a cup of milk, about a teaspoon of salt. The milk helps to remove any impurities in the liver, and at the same time it takes away some of that bitter aftertaste that comes with the liver. Have this rest for about half an hour. To go with the beef liver, I have an onion, some peppers, red, orange, and green, a tomato, a lemon. I got some spices here, some paprika, some cumin, some coriander, ginger, garlic, and I have some chopped cilantro. So first things first, chop some of these vegetables. I'm going to need one whole onion. Cut it into rings and set it aside. Need a half of each pepper. Then just julienne this roughly. Put those aside. One ripe tomato, just roughly dice. One small chili, seeds and everything. Just ready a half of a lemon. Into this very hot pan, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We are going to start the recipe by first cooking the onions and the peppers, as the liver doesn't take long to cook. Season, salt and pepper. The onions have nicely softened here and acquired some color. Add the peppers. And cook until they are also softened. Add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic mix. Also add the spices, a tablespoon of coriander, a teaspoon cumin, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Also add the chilies. add the tomatoes and cook this mixture until all the vegetables are nicely softened. These onions, peppers and tomatoes have nicely cooked down and smell so good. Time to remove them and start the liver. This beef liver has been soaking in this milk for about half an hour as we cooked our onions and peppers. You can clearly see how the milk has changed. It's got some blood in it and all the impurities. Now all we need to do is just take this strainer, just take the milk off, shake off everything. Just discard this milk. Line this foil with some paper towels. Return the liver and pat it dry. Remove as much moisture as you can. This step is only necessary if you are using liver from an old cow. If you are using a calf's liver, this step is not necessary as the aftertaste is not as much. Using the same pan that we used to make the onions and the peppers, start searing the liver, preferably in batches. You want to turn it immediately it acquires colors. You want to immediately remove this into a pan. Add another batch of your liver and continue searing. You want to flip this batch too once it gets some color. Overcooked liver is gummy and it's not as delicious. But you also at the same time want to make sure that it's cooked through. This batch is good. Have a small batch left. If you have a big pan, you don't have to do in 3 batches. Now return all the liver into the pan. Plus all those accumulated juices. Straight away add some of these vegetables that you pre-cooked. Squeeze in some lemon juice, a heaping of cilantro, toast this through, and your liver is done. A quick and easy way to make your liver. Enjoy this with the chapati, ugali, rice. This is just so perfect. So friends, there you have it. This liver goes perfectly with this chapati. Get some liver. Look at this. You want to see some of that pink inside? Give it a good bite here. So friends, there you have it. A quick and easy to make beef liver with peppers and onions. A dish you can do on any day of the week. And you have a delicious dinner. Thank you so much for watching this one. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Just remember, please subscribe, comment,